Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your credit score awareness with Credit One Report detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what a credit score is and why it matters. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. It influences your ability to secure loans, credit cards, and even rental agreements. Next, gather your credit reports from major credit bureaus. You can request one free report per year from each bureau. Review the reports carefully for any inaccuracies or discrepancies. If you find errors, make a note of them for dispute. Now, create an account with Credit One to access your credit report. This service provides insights tailored to your specific credit history. Once logged in, navigate to the credit score section. Here, you can view your current score along with detailed factors affecting it. Take note of your payment history, as it significantly impacts your score. Ensure all your payments are made on time moving forward. Next, examine your credit utilization ratio. Keep your credit card balances below 30% of your total credit limit. Consider making multiple payments throughout the month to manage utilization. Then, address any open credit accounts you may not need. Closing old accounts can negatively impact your score by affecting your credit age. Regularly monitor your credit report for any new changes. Credit One provides alerts for significant changes in your report. Utilize this feature to stay informed about your credit status. If necessary, consider seeking professional credit counseling. Experts can offer personalized strategies to improve your score. Lastly, set reminders to revisit your credit report every few months. Consistent monitoring helps maintain and improve your awareness of your credit health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.